Hello guys, welcome to VZone. I am Hussein. Today I am going to unbox a hard drive case from Amazon Basics and a 14 inches laptop sleeve. So let's get started. This is the hard drive case, and this has a kind of hard fabric used here so it can protect the hard drive. And here we have the Amazon Basics label. This is what we can put our hard drive and its cable inside. And this is the 14 inches laptop sleeve. This has the Amazon Basics label on the left. The build quality feels very nice, and the soft fabric used here because to protect your laptop from shocks and scratches. So the 14 inches laptop fits very nicely inside this sleeve. As you can see, there is still a finger space here. So guys, I would like to give 10 out of 10 to these two products because of the way it looks and the build quality is very nice. If you guys like the video, click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.